Thank you, sir.
Sobrang eto na yung nakaka-tense sa lahat. Eto na yung announce na yung
Our new queen will wear the
mananalo.
Just crown, a tribute to the season.
Grabe, sana si Atisa na.
Gives us the golden South Sea pearl,
Lord, sana si
a
Atisa na.
radiant miracle of nature, crowning the most beautiful
Ay,
woman,
nako.
sharing with the world the
Grabe.
Philippines' generous
Atisa mo
spirit
na
and
yan,
treasure,
Lord, please.
born of sun, sea, and poetic beauty. Tell us, Ian, who will wear the jewel mer crown?
Ayan na.
Find out right now. Mo Arena, are you ready?
Yes, we are
One more
ready.
time, Philippines, are you ready?
We are ready. Daisy Sate.
Our new Miss Universe Philippines will also
Sino
be
ba unang
Miss
tatawagin?
Philippine Airlines, Miss Surge, Ambassador for Bingo Plus, Ambassador for Pina, Ambassador for Gel Life, Ambassador for New Moon, and the Ambassador for Solen. Here we go. Should we get started?
Do it, Ian.
Let's go.
Do it.
The moment we have all been waiting for. It all ends and begins right here. One of the 6 ladies' destiny is about to be fulfilled. She will be our new queen, and the name I will call is our new Miss Universe Philippines.
Oh, direct na. Hey,
Is
good.
everyone ready?
Oh
One
my
more
God.
time, is everyone ready?
Isang tawagan na lang, grabe.
Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is...
Oh my God. Hala. Ang lupit nito. 6. Oh my God. Diyos ko. Kakaba. Chelsea. Sino yung katabi niya? Cebu. Taguig. Win-win. Ay, Chelsea tuloy. Atisa. Siniloan ba yun? Ay, God. Kakaiba to. 6 agad. Ay! Atakin niya. Atakin niya ako.
The Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is... Quezon Province!
Congratulations again to our new queen, and congratulations!
Congratulations!